Hey guys, I'm back. How you all doing? In today's video, I want to walk you through the process of how to lay bricks, step by step. If this is your first time laying bricks, no further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before we jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Let's get started. It's a short video, but it's gonna be spicy. Pretty sure you will learn something at the end of it. Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna have our mortar here ready up. Very important to have a mayonnaise peanut butter consistency. That way your mortar spread more evenly, more nicely. I always want to keep a clean shovel. So now we're gonna start to spread our mortar onto our brick. So we're gonna part it like that, take it up. We're gonna take up a good amount. So we're gonna shake first, shake,
way in front of you.
shake, and we jog. Because we're going with a 2-joint, we're going to put a good amount of mortar on it. We're going to do it again, so that way you catch it. Shake, shake, jog. Try avoid in touching the line. You want to put your trowel right in the middle. Ideal, you want to try to, like for instance, you have a space right here. You want to part the middle so that way we can fill the void on the outside, just like that. Clear your cavity as you go. Clean your shovel as well. Now we're going to start to lay some bricks. Okay, so we're going to butter the face of our brick, plaster it one time, just like so. Pretty straightforward and simple. So we're starting our first brick. We want to line it up with the one underneath. Alright. Use it to butter our next brick. Try to maintain the band, so you want to line up with the one underneath. So this one needs to line up with the one that's going to go above, needs to line up with the one below. Catch the mortar. Use it to butter our next brick. I just see I go like this, so I use the edge of the trowel and I do like I'm trying to cut it. We're just going to use it to butter our next brick.
Yeah, close.
So here I'm using right here, level this brick here, so as I go, I use my hand right in the middle here, just so that way I can know that both of them are level with each other. As I go, I watch my band as well, because we're trying to maintain our band. It's very important to maintain your band.
Yeah, if you man, what's up?
And good.
Stop playing your line, bossy.
I'm not playing with the line, bro. You're trying to call me over. You're calling the boy, you know, I want
I love chat shit. That's what I ask.
Oh, yeah, big R woman. I see how I go.
Where woman come from? St. Vincent. And why I say?
I will tell him so. I didn't talk to.
Eh? How you say? I told James. Oh my God. Where am I, man, James?
Huh?
You can marry this.
Yeah, man, you know, sir. I got genius. I'm going to come find the fucking brother want to talk about my town, man. And you say, what kind of teeth people here?
Kifa?
And you know what I'm saying? Come for Rocky Point.
Old fishing village.
So say, I'm going to be in come from here.
Like you like told one, I know. Yeah, man, you like told.
I'm afraid I
Yeah, man.
go on there, so I'm dead. Go on.
There you go, guys.
Buddy, don't touch the line. Don't touch the line, James. You take the finger off, buddy. Okay guys, well there you have it. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more upcoming video like this one. We have lots more video like this. Pretty sure you will enjoy it. But don't go away. Click one of those videos over here. Pretty sure you'll learn something.